But let's go ahead and take a look at omega-3s, which are the beneficial healthy fats of PUFAs, polyunsaturated fatty acids, that we tend not to get enough of. So, omega-3s are a family of fatty acids. They're sort of EPA, or eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, or DHA, which is docosahexaenoic acid. And these actually originally come from algae and plankton and sort of plants of the sea, as I like to call them. And little critters, little fish, little shellfish eat the algae and the plankton. They build up the omega-3s in their bodies, which then are eaten by larger fish. And then you go up the food chain, the smaller fish are eaten by the next larger fish, and so on and so forth.
Imagine a world where the very essence of cellular aging could be influenced, where the biological clocks within our cells could be gently nudged backward, leading to not just a longer lifespan, but a life lived with greater vitality and youthful resilience. What if the key to reversing aging lay not in some futuristic technology, but in understanding and harnessing the power of our own biology, particularly the fascinating structures known as telomeres? Today, prepare to delve into the groundbreaking insights of Dr. William Li, a globally renowned physician and scientist whose pioneering work in food as medicine is now illuminating the remarkable potential of lifestyle and dietary choices to impact telomere length, offering a tangible pathway to reversing the signs of aging from the inside out. Dr. Li's research explores the intricate mechanisms of cellular aging, and today, he turns his attention to telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes that play a crucial role in determining the lifespan of our cells. His wisdom extends beyond the complex science, offering practical and accessible ways for each of us to influence these cellular timekeepers, potentially reversing the aging process and paving the way for a longer, healthier, and more youthful life. Think about the tips of shoelaces, the plastic aglets that prevent fraying and ensure the integrity of the lace. Telomeres serve a similar function for our chromosomes, protecting the vital genetic information they contain. As our cells divide over time, telomeres naturally shorten, and when they become critically short, the cell can no longer divide, leading to cellular aging and eventually cell death. However, Dr. Li's research offers an empowering perspective, suggesting that through conscious lifestyle choices and the strategic incorporation of certain foods, we can potentially slow down this telomere shortening process and even, remarkably, promote telomere lengthening, effectively reversing cellular aging and its outward manifestations. In this video, we will explore the fascinating science of telomeres, understand their profound connection to the aging process as illuminated by Dr. Li, and uncover practical, everyday strategies you can implement to support telomere health and potentially reverse the signs of aging at a fundamental cellular level. Prepare to discover how these seemingly small changes can have a profound impact on your longevity and youthful vitality. If you find this information valuable and inspiring, please take a moment to like this video, share it with others who are interested in understanding and potentially reversing the aging process naturally. Leave a comment with your thoughts or any insights you might have, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering knowledge on the remarkable power of food and lifestyle for a long, healthy, and youthful life. We are building a supportive community here, so please share your own experiences or tips in the comments below to inspire others on this journey towards enhanced cellular health and reversed aging. Dr. Li's holistic approach to health and reversing the signs of aging is deeply rooted in the understanding that our bodies possess an incredible capacity for self-repair and regeneration, and that our daily choices, particularly in the realm of food and lifestyle, exert a profound influence on these fundamental processes. He champions the empowering idea that by consciously adopting certain habits and incorporating specific foods into our daily routines, we can actively influence the very mechanisms that govern cellular aging, including the maintenance and even lengthening of our telomeres. His work often highlights the intricate interplay between our environment, our lifestyle, our diet, and our genes, emphasizing that while we cannot change our genetic predispositions, we have significant control over how our genes are expressed and how our cells age. Telomeres, as the gatekeepers of cellular lifespan, are particularly responsive to these influences. Dr. Lee's wisdom encourages us to move beyond a passive acceptance of aging and to explore the tangible ways in which we can actively support our telomeres, potentially reversing cellular aging and its outward manifestations, leading to a longer, healthier, and more youthful life. Have you ever considered that your daily habits could be directly influencing the aging process at a cellular level? What are some of your current approaches to maintaining your overall health and vitality as you age? The scientific understanding of aging has undergone a significant revolution in recent decades, with the discovery of telomeres and their role in cellular senescence emerging as a central pillar. Telomeres, those protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes, shorten with each cell division. When telomeres reach a critically short length, they signal the cell to stop dividing, leading to cellular aging and ultimately cell death. This process is intrinsically linked to many of the physical manifestations we associate with aging. However, groundbreaking research, including insights from Dr. Lee's work, suggests that this process is not entirely immutable. Certain lifestyle factors and dietary components have been shown to influence the rate of telomere shortening, and remarkably, some interventions have even demonstrated the potential to promote telomere lengthening, effectively reversing cellular aging. The enzyme telomerase is responsible for maintaining and lengthening telomeres, and its activity can be influenced by various factors. Dr. Lee's wisdom guides us towards understanding these natural pathways that support telomerase activity and protect telomeres, empowering us to take a proactive role in influencing our cellular aging process and potentially reversing its effects. Are you aware of the crucial role that telomeres play in the aging process? Now, let us delve into the practical ways you can incorporate Dr. Lee's wisdom on telomeres into your daily life to support reversing the signs of aging and promoting overall well-being at a cellular level. One of the most impactful lifestyle factors that Dr. Lee consistently emphasizes is the management of chronic stress. Prolonged stress has been shown to accelerate telomere shortening. Incorporating stress-reducing practices such as mindfulness meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, spending time in nature, and engaging in enjoyable hobbies can have a profound positive impact on telomere health. Another crucial element, highlighted by Dr. Lee, is ensuring adequate and high-quality sleep. Chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to increased oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can accelerate telomere shortening. Prioritizing 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep each night is essential for cellular repair and telomere maintenance. Regular moderate-intensity exercise is also a cornerstone of Dr. Lee's recommendations for telomere health. Studies have shown that consistent physical activity can help to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, and may even stimulate telomerase activity. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise per week. Have you considered how your stress levels, sleep habits, and exercise routine might be influencing your cellular aging process? Beyond lifestyle factors, Dr. Lee's expertise in food as medicine provides valuable insights into specific dietary components that can support telomere health and potentially reverse cellular aging. A diet rich in antioxidants is crucial for combating oxidative stress, a major driver of telomere shortening. Incorporating a wide variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, such as berries, leafy greens, and brightly pigmented produce, provides a wealth of these protective compounds. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts, have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects and may also support telomere length. Limiting the consumption of processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of red meat, which can promote inflammation and oxidative stress, is also important for protecting telomeres. Furthermore, Dr. Lee highlights specific bioactive compounds found in certain foods that may directly support telomerase activity. For example, the compound epigallocatechin gallate, found in green tea, has shown promise in some studies for its potential to protect telomeres. Similarly, certain polyphenols found in foods like turmeric and resveratrol in red grapes and berries have also been investigated for their potential telomere benefits. Consider incorporating these telomere-supporting foods and practices into your daily routine. What are some antioxidant-rich foods and sources of omega-3 fatty acids that you regularly consume? To illustrate the practical application of Dr. Lee's wisdom on telomeres for reversing the signs of aging, let us consider the story of a man named James. In his late 50s, James was experiencing many of the common signs of aging: decreased energy, increased susceptibility to illness, and the visible signs of aging on his skin. Inspired by Dr. Lee's research on telomeres, he began to make conscious changes to his lifestyle and diet. He prioritized getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, incorporated 30 minutes of brisk walking into his daily routine, and started practicing mindfulness meditation for 10 minutes each day to manage stress. He also significantly increased his intake of colorful fruits and vegetables, started eating fatty fish twice a week, and began drinking green tea regularly. Over time, James noticed a significant improvement in his energy levels, felt more resilient to illness, and even observed a subtle but noticeable improvement in his skin's appearance. His experience underscores how consistent and holistic lifestyle and dietary changes, guided by Dr. Lee's principles, can have a tangible impact on supporting cellular health and potentially reversing the signs of aging. Can you envision making similar proactive changes to your daily habits, incorporating telomere-supporting strategies into your daily life for reversing the signs of aging doesn't require drastic or immediate overhauls? Start by identifying 1 or 2 areas where you can make small, sustainable changes. Perhaps commit to an extra 30 minutes of sleep each night, or incorporate a 10-minute mindfulness practice into your morning routine. Gradually increase your intake of colorful fruits and vegetables by adding an extra serving to each meal. Swap sugary drinks for green tea. These small, consistent steps can collectively contribute to supporting your telomeres and potentially reversing the aging process at a cellular level. What is one small, actionable step you can commit to taking today to support your telomere health? Dr. Lee's life-changing wisdom empowers us to understand that aging is not an inevitable decline, but a dynamic process that we can actively influence at its most fundamental level: the health of our cells and the integrity of our telomeres. By embracing a lifestyle and diet that supports telomere maintenance and lengthening, we are not just striving for a longer lifespan, but for a life lived with greater youthful vitality, resilience, and overall well-being. As we conclude this insightful exploration into Dr. William Lee's wisdom on telomeres and reversing the signs of aging, we encourage you to embrace the empowering idea that you have the potential to influence the very clock of your cells through conscious daily choices. By prioritizing stress management, quality sleep, regular exercise, and a diet rich in antioxidants and telomere-supporting compounds, you can embark on a journey towards not just slowing down aging, but potentially reversing it at a cellular level. We invite you to take a moment to like this video if you found this information valuable and inspiring. Please share this knowledge with your friends and family, who may also be interested in understanding and influencing the aging process naturally. We also encourage you to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts, any steps you are inspired to take, or any questions you might have about telomeres and reversing aging. To continue learning more life-changing wisdom from Dr. Lee and other experts in the field of food as medicine and longevity, please subscribe to our channel. Let's build a supportive community here where we can share our experiences, tips, and successes in our journey towards enhanced cellular health and reversed aging. What are your key takeaways about telomeres and reversing aging? And what practical steps are you inspired to implement in your daily routine starting today? Share your insights in the comments below, and let's encourage each other on this path to a longer, healthier, and more youthful life.